Loud, loud. And for 25 times you shout grace. Ushers, watch out for people. I sense that there will be a physical manifestation of God's power. I don't want the music this time. I just want the sound of the trumpet alone. As the last five comes, speak your name in the atmosphere. Speak grace over your name. Something is released here tonight. The things you could not do, Pastor Ben, it is time for that mentoring class. It's time. The spirit of grace is released. It's time. No more delay. No more delay. Are you ready? Are you ready for the last one? Are you ready for the last one? Your life has changed forever. Mark my words. Your life has changed forever. The grace of God that brought salvation has visited Nigeria, has visited you, has visited the nations of the earth like never before. I release you to go and do exploits by grace, by grace, by grace.